Hey y'all, it's been a minute, and guess what? I have my first unboxing. With YouTube. This is Lumi. I want to say Lumi. Forgive me if I'm saying it incorrectly, but that's another way that you can earn money on YouTube. You request a sample from the manufacturer, and then you use it, and then you make a video, and then you receive commissions from those sales. So this is from Lumi. I'm sorry. So what I have here is whole body deodorant. It's vanilla bliss. I can smell it through here. It smells good. Vanilla bliss. All right. Then I have the invisible spray. Ooh, soft powder invisible spray. Now this is another whole body deodorant for pits, privates, and beyond. I don't know what beyond is, but I know whatever it is, we got it. Then this is a activated, a body wash. Acid, okay, I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm not pronouncing that correctly, but it's a body wash. So it's another deodorant product. And then we have, I should have put my glasses on. Deodorant wipes. Oh, these are deodorant wipes, y'all. So that's what Lumi sent me. Again, I have whole body deodorant. Let's smell it. Oops. Hold on, y'all. Okay, I'm back. I had to put my glasses on. This is 72-hour body spray. It's whole body deodorant. It's an invisible spray, and it's soft powder. And it says it's safe for sensitive skin. So let's smell it. I like it. I like it a lot. So it says odor control. It's vegan, ozone friendly, OBGYN developed. That is very important, okay? Cruelty free, butane free, and residue free. All right. So this is going to be good for the summertime. You know, when I have gigs and I'm doing festivals, I don't need it for 72 hours, but I need it to be strong. Because, you know, when we get off the stage, people want to hug us. Well, they want to hug me. I don't know about you, but they want to hug me. And I want to hug them back because I'm a hugger. All right. So I took the top off of this. This is Vanilla Bliss, and it's a smooth solid for pits, privates, and beyond. Once again, I love the way it smells. It's not a very, you know how vanilla can be sometimes off-putting. This is a nice sensitive scent. It's not overbearing. Now, what I couldn't read before is acidified body wash. Acidified body wash. And this is a clean tangerine. Ooh, I know I'm going to love that. I like anything citrus. Oh, yeah. I like that. I like that a lot. And then we have the invisible cream. This is lavender sage. And this is another whole body deodorant. And this one is 72-hour control once again. Whole body deodorant. Oh, I will definitely be using this summer for sure. And then we have acidified deodorant wipes. All right. So look, it comes with 15 wipes, and this is Cool Cucumber. I love these scents. Remember Cool Cucumber back in the day? Now this is nice. This is nice. So when I get off the stage, before I go out into the, maybe sell some CDs or sign some autographs, I can, wipe myself off a little bit, and refreshing myself. I love this. I definitely will be purchasing this for myself. These are the samples. This is just an example of the samples you get. So I used the wrong terminology. It was an affiliate. So it's the affiliate program on YouTube as a YouTube partner. You request the samples and then you use them. Link the product in your in your video like I'm about to do right now. And when a person buys it, then we get a commission. Another way you can make Another way that you can make money, the terminology is the affiliate program. So you just go into the earnings tab and go to YouTube Studio, go to your earn tab, then also go to shopping, and it says affiliate offers, and then you go to samples, and then you scroll down, and then you choose the samples that go with your brand. Don't get stuff that you ain't gonna use. Like, I know I'm gonna use this because I've heard of Lumi before, and I was always curious about it. And I'm sure I will be buying this. Now, this was the sample. This was just a sample box, but I will be using this. And their commissions are always different depending on the affiliate, and it will tell you in the affiliate offers tab. So again, go to earn, go to shopping, and scroll down until you see all the affiliate, the sellers, the offers, and then you go from there. So thank you for watching, y'all. And listen. We all need deodorant. Get you some from Lumi. And if you need some strong deodorant, some of us content creators are out there in the field, you know what I mean? And you want to make sure that you're fresh. So fresh and so clean. Look, they got the body wash, the wipes, and then the 72-hour body. And then this is the cream. So you can just put it all over everything that's sweating on you. Thank you for watching. Click the link below and thank me later.